స్టూడెంట్స్ కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది కదా, వీడియోస్ గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది. బట్ దట్ టైమ్ విల్ బీ enough you to prepare for that particular topics. Now today I'll start differentiation for ECET. Differentiation. For this, what is differentiation and what is differential coefficients? If y equal to f of x be a function, then differential coefficient of y with respect to x is dy by dx or f dash of x. You can denote this differentiation as also like this. This is limit h tends to 0. That means h is tending to 0. Then f of x plus h minus f of x by h. I think everybody know what is differentiation. This is change in y by change in x. I think you can also remember y2 minus y1 change in x2 minus x1. I think you can find this in 9th or 10th geometry. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. There you call this as m. Again I'll write one thing. If you draw a graph, then what is the change in y? There are 2 points. Let take this is y2 y1, sorry, y2 x1 x2. This is y1 x1. Then what is the change in y? This is y2 minus y1. This is x2 minus x1. Let this is y2 minus y1. This one is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. This is y2 minus y1. Let this is theta. Then what is tan theta? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is slope m. I think you got it from this. What is differentiation? This is tan theta. Okay. Now y2 minus y1 tends to 0. That means this tends to 0 means this line, the slope will be almost parallel to x. Here you can also observe one more point here. If y2 minus y1 tends to 0 means that line will be flatted. Suppose if f of x, if f of x is a function, if you draw a line on the xy axis, let that curve will take this shape. Now this is tangent to the curve at point at p1. This is at p2 is the tangent at the lower level. Due to that, for maximum or minimum, for finding maximum or minimum value of f of x, then there you will differentiate the given function, and you will equate to 0. Then you will find either maximum or minimum. Why? Because this is the reason. y2 minus y1 tends to 0 means dy by dx. That means this will become 0. Ratio will become 0. So this kind of technique you use for finding the maximum value of f of x. Don't concentrate on this line. Just I am drawing the tangent at the P1, and I draw a tangent line. That means this is the touching point, intersecting point. So this is the minimum value of that particular curve. This is the maximum value of that particular curve at P1. I think you can clearly understand why you are differentiating while finding maximum value or minimum value in your examination. Without this having a knowledge on why you are finding differentiation for getting maximum or minimum value, without knowing this type of interpretation in your studies, you'll find you will be like a blind people. So whatever you studying, that should be incorporated in your life. Otherwise there is no meaning at all, and also you cannot recollect that what you studied previously in the examination hall. Differential coefficient of y with respect to x at x is equal to a is dy by dx at x equal to a or f dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of, instead of x, substitute a plus h minus f of a by h tends to 0. Differential coefficient of standard form. I'll see, I show you some, you have to recollect your mind, you have to recollect these values. When do you can when can you remember all these values at in a speedy way? If you do the exercise thoroughly, if you do the exercise more possible way, in more ways, in more than one time or two times, then you will get easily without any recollect your formulas. Without that, you can directly your hand will be right on the paper. Okay. I'll write some standard form functions. D by dx of x power n equal to n x power n minus 1. Here so many questions will come. 1 by 2, x power 1, x cube, x power 4, x power 3 by 7, all are n. So you can substitute the value of the given number in n, you will get that. D by dx of constant, that is 0, because d by dx of c x power 0, there is no x value here. So n, instead of n, which value you substitute? 0, because x power is 0 into anything is 0. So due to that, the differentiation of constant is 0. Can also go on to the xy axis. There is no change in x or y. So what? 0. D by dx of log x base e, not base 10, base e is equal to 1 by x. If he had given base 10, you know that log x base e by log 10 base e, that is log a base b is log a base c by log b base c. You must convert this type of logarithmic function onto this, so that already I taught a lesson on logarithm. Now what about e power x differentiation, that is e power x. How these values comes, then I'll teach you. D by dx of a power x equal to a power x log a base e. How this come? Let y equal to a power x. Apply both sides log. Then log y equal to x log a. Now both sides apply differentiation. Then this is y dash by y equal to log a base e, because x is only there. Then we will get x, instead of x, the differentiation of x is 1, because dy by dx is, if you put x instead of y, then dx by dx, both cancel. Okay, so that becomes d by dx of x equal to 1, because both will cancel each other, no? Okay, sin x, differentiation, cos x minus sin x, tan x secant square. You can also this one by using the one formula, sin x by cos x, d by du by dx, d by dx of u by v formula. You can also find this, you can also get the secant square by using d by dx of u by v formula is there. Secant x, you can also split this into cos x. This is u, this is v. From that also you can get this cot x, this one, cosecant x, this one, sin inverse x, 1 by root 1 minus x square. Because let sin inverse x, what is x? Sin y. Apply both sides differentiation. So 1 equal with respect to, with respect to y, dx by dy equal to, what is sin y? Cos y. So you want dy by dx, so 1 by cos y. Okay, 1 by cos y. But what is sin x, sin y x? So I want cos. So sin y is equal to x, means this one x, this one 1, because x by 1. So you will get 1 root of 1 minus x square. So from this, what is cos y? 1 by cos y. 1 is, I put 1 here. Cos y is the adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 1. So this is 1 minus x square, because this one x. So from that you will get. So if you work out, do workout on this, then that will be easily, you can correct like that. This one, this is minus tan inverse x. This is also same. Draw a triangle and let tan inverse x is equal to, let theta r by, what is x? Tan theta. Then this is theta, this is x, means by 1, this 1 plus x square. I think this, from this you can get. Okay, all try this. Rules for differentiation. If y equal to u of x, that means u is a function in x's, plus or minus v of x plus or minus wx, so on, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u of x plus or minus d by and dv by dx plus or minus dw by dx, so on. D by dx of some constant into the function in x. Then you no need to do any on k, because this is a constant. So k, d by dx of f of x, d by dx of uv, then du by dx into v plus u of x dv by dx. That's it. U by v formula. So du by dx v of x minus, normally you say v du by u dv by v square. That's it. Differentiation of function represented parametrically. If y is a function of x such that x equal to pi of t, y equal to psi of t, where t is a parameter, then parameter. So here there are 3 parameters, y, x, t. This t is in, y is in terms of t, x is in terms of t. Then in that case, how can you do? dy by dx we need. So first find dy by dt, then dx by dt. So t cancel each other. So dy by dx you will get. This can also be written as pi dash of t psi dash of t, pi dash of t. That's it. Relation between dy by dx and dx by dy. What? If you multiply both, then you will get fine, because dx cancel, dy by dx cancel. That's it. Higher derivatives of a function. Higher means first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, like that. If y equal to f of x, then the derivative of y of dy by dx with respect to x is called the second derivative. If you do a derivative on this, then you will get second derivative. So d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of dy by dx. So d square dx square. If y is a function of x given parametrically by y equal to pi of t, x equal to psi of t, then d square y by dx square equal to d by dx of dy by dx, you know. Now what is dy by dx? This one. So simply substitute on this, then you will find this. Okay, now your turn. Do. What is differentiation of x? What is differentiation of x power 10? Differentiation of x power minus 1, x power minus 10, x power 3 by 2. Do all these sums. Again, this one also. I think everybody know hyperbolic function. I think just check whether this is correct or not. Cos hax, cos hax is equal to e power ax plus e power minus ax by 2. I think just go through the book and verify this is right or wrong. Cos hax e power ax minus e power minus ax by 2. Please verify this and do remaining. Do this, then easily you can find. Again, please do all these things. I'll give shortcuts later. First you have to work out on all these things. Please note down and do your best level. Here u, v, w, use the formula. This one also. Here put x equal to tan theta. Here find, let put substitute instead of x. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. You will get, I think, tan 3 theta. Okay. Use your technique and later I'll tell you. Here also tan x power x, no, tan x whole power x y equal to y1, because there are two. Apply log, you easily find, because whenever the x is on the top, you have to get down. You must bring it on to the ground. How in which function you can bring it down? Only sin log x sin x. So this will get down, log y sin x log x. Now apply on both sides differentiation. Here again you will find uv formula. Okay. Okay. Here also find x is equal to sin theta. You can easily do. Here I think I already told you that e cancel, then x will come down. That means if y equal to this one, then y equal to finally you will get. So y dash is 1. That's it. Okay. Do all the equations. Please note down. Y equal to 10 power x think you can do this. Y equal to e power x. If you do all these things, this is x power x degrees. You can convert this into x radians. Then only you have to do them. Okay. I think you can convert this into radians, or otherwise next class I will cover. This is y equal to x power y. Apply log on both sides. Here y equal to x power x. How many times you have to apply log? 2. X power x log x. Again log y equal to log x power x log x. Okay. Here I told you log x base 10, log x base e by log e base 10, log 10 base e. You must split. Let this is u, this is v, or this is pi of t, pi of x, this is pi of psi of x. So d by dx of d by psi by and d by pi with respect to x square. Okay, na? In this y equal to root sin x plus y, because again this is also y function. Square on both sides, then you can find dy by dx. This is y equal to x power y, because this is also same as this one, infinite series. Okay, do all the sums. Please don't neglect anything. ఇంత రేంజ్లో మీరు వెళ్తే మీకు ఇచ్చిన ఈ సెట్ పేపరు నాకు తెలిసి 10 to 15 minutes మ్యాథ్స్ అవగట్టగలరు. Okay, try this. Later we see the shortcuts. All the best.